flooding. So the tree has grown above the ground. The roots are all. Okay, check out how big is this tree, man. You can't really tell. Let me show you the human inside. See, humans there. The tree is big, man. Monya cantik. Ayo, makcik cantik. And the hiking trail come out to this beautiful river. This guy cannot take it anymore, he just jumped. Beautiful, beautiful. This is as pristine as you can get. Some are checking leeches, some are just don't care. Fun, right? River crossing. Isn't that fun? How well does it get, man? This is fun. Exotic. Soon. Fun? Yeah. Well done. Officially started. Oh man. Hey, again. Video. Jungle starfish. Interesting. 2 click is here. The gigantic one. There you have it. Big, man. Let me see. Let me show you how big it is. Look at this guy.
Okay, จบแล้วยังพอแล้วยัง
Our responsible tourists, they are collecting all the rubbish left behind by some stupid idiot, but irresponsible tourists. After the waterfall trek, relax time, taking a cruise to the reservoir, to some HQ, the Blackpink, all men Blackpink team.
Blackpink team.
Yeah, Blackpink, yeah, see, Blackpink.
หน้าต่าง
Blackpink.
หน้าต่างรู้ยัง
So the boat trip bring us to here. That's the source of the water supply for the dam. Usually in the evening the red bull will come here, but we're gonna go through the tree. Okay, head down. Okay, not too bad.